DK Nation? Hope you guys are having a good day. Vlog day 4. We're finna go to the beach. I'm not exactly. Wait, you could see clownology in the making. Yes, sir.
The O's are excited, bro. The O's are excited.
What's the plan? What's the plan today?
Ushaka, guys. Blogger 031.
Usha. Usha.
Out here.
Beautiful day.
Thought it was gonna be pouring today.
Yeah, that's what I choose. But you also like, no, more water, don't stress.
See what happened with your negative.
Crazy life of mine. Swear these niggas trying to kill me, but I know that I'll be fine. If you send me to the dark, give this world a light to shine. Cause there's gonna be a lot of people mad if I die young. And my mama raised 2 kids all on her own. I was jealous of the kids that had 2 parents in their home. My pops left me for the sky, my pop left me for the sky. Now I'm steady popping bottles like this message is inside them. I'm just living low key, something sorta like an OG. Now everybody seems to know me. Started way back in 03 when I started to rap and smoke weed.
Yeah.
And the vibes are strong today, boys.
You have no idea, bro. You have no idea.
This year was a long time, bro. Fuck.
Yeet.
Imagine.
They're looking, boy. They see something.
Picture of you, bro.
We're good, bro. We're good, Chuck.
They're even taking the full ass picture of you,
It's
bro.
fine, bro. We're good, Chuck.
No wash and
No watch, bro.
Neil,
Ah,
taking the full ass picture of you, bro.
Durban has never looked this good, guys. Damn.
Double cap.
It's been raining. Ah, look at your life, eh? Look at your life. Look at this. What is this? What is this? Hey.
I wish I was not bad like that. Let's go,
Way! Nigga, you still skinny, boy?
Rip like a mother, though.
Lock the car, bro.
Double check, triple check. Just arrived at Ushaka Marine World. Marining World. Shame. Hey, turn around, broskies. What kind with you? Say hello.
Hello.
Sup, it? No, I'm joking.
This is gonna be
Hey,
an
yo,
interesting
hey.
one.
My name is Connor Wilson, aka
sick.
Slim Jesus, aka Slim Jesus.
Oh, stop promoting one way, bro.
Hey, I'm scared to post this now because I have 5 people with me. Like, you know.
Look at your life.
You should start recording so that they don't see any more of you.
Nigga, they see the most of you, bro.
Hop into that, bro.
Hey, it's a young flex there, boy. It's a young. Hey.
Casual things, casual things.
Oh, okay, I see you. I see you. Hey.
Let me get a chance to say the things I never say. Cause where I'm from, we lose somebody every single day. And the mothers see the funerals, the sons before their sons turn 21. I swear I wonder why the heck I even pray. I take that back, I know y'all feel it. I shot this down, but it's God in my lyrics. First they wanna sign me, then they wanna confine me. Oh wait, oh yeah, I get it. Kill my physical, but never my spirit. Just be careful when you burn them bridges. Once it's burning, can't return. It's how you learn and not being given. Goddamn, hear my sound. I go sin, but I don't back down. I'm that king, but I don't rock crowns. Oh, wake up, I do okay. Yup, no sympathy, no way. That's just not how I was raised. I'd rather get down and slay everybody that's in my way. It's okay.
The best way to start anything with Ushaka, guys, is the highest slide. Ready? Hey, my life, man.
Take it away, man.
Hey.
Psych!
Wait now. I am not doing this.
Oh,
I am not doing this. No.
just do it.
I'm scared of heights. This is scary. No. I'll go to the next one. The one
Okay,
left
let's
down.
go.
Where we from? Victoria is in the band. Alright, Victoria is in the band. Happy birthday. Hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah.
Get him.
Bro, look at those bad boys in the back there, bro.
Yeah, those things are huge.
You would swear
Dude,
to
I would-
man's
I would
never seen
freak
fish
out.
his entire life.
Bro, look at, have you ever seen that fish, bro? Come on, you haven't seen that before, dude. Yeah, exactly.
This is my bro.
This is like one big sea.
This is my bro, Bobby.
It's an eel. And it's literally scary as hell.
That's a Bobby, dude. That's Bobby.
This is my eel one time.
That is
Bro, I
big,
was
bro.
fishing.
That's a parrotfish there.
I was fishing with my one friend, right? The so pulled this thing out now.
Yeah.
Now he's like, "Yo, just take it off the hook." Now I've been taking fish off the hook, right?
But an eel.
I grabbed this thing a little bit too low, right? Just yanked his head around, put me right here, bro. Like I couldn't even. It's a small scar, but it was like stapled, bro. I freaked out. I grabbed my beer bottle and I whacked it, dude. I whacked that thing so hard, bro. And then we were like using it as bait. It's bait now.
It's bait?
It's bait now.
Bro, like nothing eats eel. Look at this evil thing, bro. Look at that. Oh no. No, dude. Bobby. No. Come on, Bobby.
It's gonna bite you.
This is the Voldemort of fish. Don't do that to the poor kid, bag.
But eels, you know what's the scary thing about eels, bro? They're the bottom feeders, bro. If you get bitten by an eel, you need to be careful, dude. Because it's mad bacteria, bro. Mad bacteria. Like, I was tripping out, dude. I was so scared.
And cut YouTube video Neil Connor. Yeah.
Let's see your expertise on fishes. Come. Fisherama with Connor Manama.
Yeah. So,
We have the Komanagama with the Komanagana with the Connemara.
as you can see, these are the spotted garden eels. Huh, interesting.
Oh, he's right.
These are chill, bro. These are cool to look at. I keep like a tank of these things, bro.
Make a funny movement, bro.
No, I keep a tank of these things.
You see, look at him, he's like, I'm out.
Hit him again.
Hit him with that dab, boy.
Did you?
Whoa!
Hey, this is what happens when you go out with people.
No, this is what happens this is what Dane wakes up to every single morning.
Oh
Don't scare it, bro. Look at his face, respect. Hey, is it true, bro?
Dude, look at this thing.
It's more like this, bro. It's more like this. It's more like this.
Oh, look at your life, eh? Hey.
I've never seen this before.
Can you see me from the other side? Bro,
Yep.
Dane actually looks in proportion from this side, bro.
He's the first time
His legs actually look like the right size now.
He looks as big as Dimitri now. He's made it!
So cute. That is so cool.
The seahorse, bro.
That's also a man's home. Imagine now someone's coming to your house and they knock you on your house. Come on.
Did you know that there is no sex to the seahorse? Did you know that the male seahorses are the ones who have the babies?
Yeah.
Yeah, it makes a whole lot of sense.
What was that fake accent, bro?
Yeah, it's this fake Nigerian accent.
They have the baby.
Hey guys, let me tell you some monkey jokes.
Let me tell you
About that baby.
Yes, yours.
Stonefish. Look at this, highly venomous. Be careful.
Stay away if you want to survive. Let's play Spot the Stonefish. Spot the Stonefish. So we just finished our beach adventure.
Hey.
Yes, sir.
Hashtag
Sun-
boss.
Hashtag sunburn for days.
Hashtag yes, sir. Hey. So we finna go get some food now because we hungry.
Yeah.